Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chili in a can full guide. Start by opening the can and pouring the chili into a saucepan. Warm it gently over low to medium heat, stirring frequently to prevent sticking. Add a splash of water or broth if it looks too thick and simmer briefly until heated through. Taste and adjust with salt, pepper, or a pinch of sugar to brighten flavors. To upgrade canned chili, begin by sautéing aromatics like onion and garlic in a little oil until soft. Scoop the chili into the pan and fold it with the aromatics, adding a tablespoon of tomato paste or a splash of beer for depth. Simmer briefly so flavors meld, then taste and finish with a squeeze of lime or a dash of vinegar to lift the overall profile before serving. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more quick kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated anywhere and is perfect when you're standing by the stove or packing a lunch. It seals tight and looks great on the counter, making hydration easy while you cook. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Think about serving options that transform canned chili into a full meal without fuss. Spoon it over steamed rice, baked potatoes, or toasted bread for hearty bowls everyone loves. Offer simple toppings like shredded cheese, cilantro, chopped onions, and a spoonful of sour cream to add texture and freshness. You can also use chili as a shortcut for nachos or dips, making cleanup easy and dinner stress-free for busy nights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.